Now moving on to the actual chart here, this is going to be that same exact area on the volume profile. How I would determine, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of an older example and the newer example of a fixed range volume profile, and how I like to set it up is essentially from where the range actually began, the range low to the range high. That's where I would mark up my volume profile. So for me on the daily time frame, if I can identify, hey, you know what, price is already starting to actually range here, I'm gonna go from the last impulse we saw from the bottom all the way to the top, and I'm gonna drag it all the way to relevant price, which I'm just gonna end up dragging this all the way down into the ultimately until price action broke out of this actual range here. And then we could see how price action formed that value area high, and then we could see much clearly where we have the point of control, the value area high, and the value area low. Now if we were to just do some basic analysis on this value area high up here, when price action first got up into this range, you could see how initially at first we had a fake out of the value area high. Price action closed above on this daily candlestick. The next daily candlestick, buyers tried pushing through. You could see all of the positive delta forming up here. Buyers tried pushing through the value area high, and we just couldn't find acceptance of these higher prices. Reclaim, same thing here. Buyers got absorbed, buyers got absorbed, and here is the initial reversal off of that value area high. So really what I'm using the daily profile is to get a better understanding of what price action is doing, and if we should see a reversal or a continuation of the trend. It is as simple as that. It is not to look for entries based off of the volume profile on a fixed range on the daily time frame. It's to understand where we're trading and if we should see continuations in the direction that we're seeing, or if we should see reversals.